Hey fam, welcome back to EsthyTech. Today I'm showing you exactly how I set up a Kubernetes version 1.33 cluster on Ubuntu 22.04 in Linode. One control plane and two workers using containerd and Calico. I'll take you from fresh servers to a healthy cluster you can actually use. Let's build.
Solve for on, let's build the future. One line of code, one dream at a time. From the cloud to the console, the rhythm flows. Innovation lives where the knowledge grows. EsthyTech, your tech journey starts here. Code it, dream it, live it.
The requirements for this includes 3 times Linode Ubuntu 22.04 LTS VMs, it's 4 gig RAM, 2 vCPU each, server 1 master control plane, server 2 node 1, server 3 node 2 sudo access on all servers, public IP for the master. I'll show mine, replace it with yours. We'll install Kubernetes v1.33, not any old version, and Calico. Documentation and repo. I wrote a short guide and published a forkable Git repo with all the scripts you see in this video. You can find them on my website /GitHub. Links are in the description. Fork it, tweak it, make it yours. The very first step for this lab is for us to set up this cluster. We need 3 Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. You can use Linode, 4G memory, and 2 CPU. So just follow along as I set it up. Open your account on Linode, create the VM. I'm going to fast forward this step and you can watch my other video on how to create virtual machine using Linode. First VM launch. Second VM launched. Third VM launched. Log in to the 3 servers and run the following commands. So kindly follow along. Connect to each server via remote SSH. Open the integrated terminal. But before that, I set up names, icons, colors of my VS Code, and label everything so I never mix up nodes. Right-click tab, rename. Set master, green node 1, red node 2, yellow. Set server's hostname and regular user. To do that, set the host names of your servers to easily identify them. As a best practice, create a regular user with administrator access on each server. The name of the user does not matter. Here we just decided to call it Caliber. On the master node, run the following commands. Sudo hostnamectl, set hostname master exec bash, sudo user add -m caliber -s /bin /bash -g sudo password caliber. On node 1, run the following commands: sudo hostnamectl, set hostname, node 1 exec bash sudo user add dash m caliber dash s slash bin dash bash dash g sudo passwd caliber On node 2, run the following commands: sudo hostnamectl, set hostname, node 2 exec bash sudo user add dash m caliber dash s slash bin dash bash. We just set server's hostname and regular user. So now let's set up the master node, and the following commands should be executed only on the master node. You can create a script on the master node, copy and paste the below code, and then execute it. So let's create a file with vim and paste the bash script that will perform the following: update the system, disable swap, add kernel parameters for Kubernetes, reload the changes, install containerd runtime, add apt repository for Kubernetes, install kubectl, kubeadm, kubelet. Initialize the control plane on master with the following command, but replace my IP with yours. Copy the kubeadm join command printed at the end. We'll use it to join both worker nodes. Copy the command and keep it handy on your notepad. Okay, now let's set up local kubeconfig with the following command: Remember, all these commands can be found in my GitHub repo. Next, try to run the following kubectl commands to view cluster and node status. The Kubernetes control plane should be running, but the status will display not ready. kubectl cluster-info, kubectl get nodes. Why it's not ready? Because CNI is not applied. So now let's apply Calico CNI network overlay and should be done as a regular user. Run this command, verify with this command, kubectl get pods, kubectl and kube, kubectl get nodes, and all the pods should be running. Now let's set up worker nodes, node 1 and node 2 only. Create a file on node 1 and node 2, copy and paste the following script, and then execute it. The script that will perform the same action just like on the master node. Next, let's make the worker node join the cluster with the kubeadm join command that was created on the master node. Let's verify if the worker nodes have joined the cluster successfully, and it should be noted that it might take a while for the node to become ready, so just be patient. Quick test to make sure our cluster is set up correctly. So let's create a deployment with nginx image and 2 replicas and expose it the following commands: kubectl create deployment web dash dash image equals ngnsq dash dash replicas equals 2, kubectl expose deployment web dash dash type equals node port dash dash port equals 80, kubectl get service web dash o wide, and that's a wrap. Kubernetes version 1.33 on Ubuntu 22.04 in Linode, running container D plus Calico, and a clean VS Code setup so you never click the wrong node. My documentation plus forkable Git repo are linked below. Clone it, fork it, and tag me when yours is live. Like, drop your questions and subscribe for more real world cloud builds. This is EsthyTech. See you in the next one.
Solve for on, let's build the future. One line of code, one dream at a time. From the cloud to the console, the rhythm flows. Innovation lives where the knowledge grows. EsthyTech, your tech journey starts here. Code it, dream